Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to explain you how we can upload the multiple attachment file into our document library. Okay, so let's see an example. So in my previous video, I have already explained you how we can upload the single attachment, okay, using the Power Automate flow. And I've already explained you how we can grab this attachment control because we don't have any direct control available inside this. So we can copy and paste this attachment control from the edit form. Okay, and here we have a maximum attachment and maximum attachment size we can restrict. Okay, so and this is my, let me edit this, and this is my Power Automate flow. Okay, inside this Power Automate I have created four input parameter which I am going to send from the Canvas app. First one is roll number, status, file name, file content. Okay, and then we are creating a file using a create file function available in SharePoint, and then we are doing the file concatenation just to prefix the file name. Okay, if I select this, so you can see I'm using a concatenate function docu underscore, and then I'm using a date with time, and then trigger body. Inside this trigger body I'm using a, let me, I'm using a file name which we are sending from the Canvas app. And at last I am updating the file property like roll number and status. What is file property? If I move to a SharePoint, then so you can see in the document library I have created extra column just to figure out which request belong to which person. Okay, so this is a file property and we are updating using a update file property action available in the SharePoint. Okay, so this is all about my Power Automate flow. Now go back to the Power App. So in the last video, I have shown you like how we can upload the only one attachment. Okay, and here I just mentioned only one. So right time. Okay, so I am just writing a six now. So now we can upload the six attachment file. Now let me play this and show you. If I select one, two, three, four, five. Okay, so now you can see it is giving me now max number file reached. Okay, because we selected the six option in this attachment control here. Okay, and now come to this point. Now we have a multiple attachment. Okay, and to upload the file we are using a upload document which is a Power Automate flow. You can see this flow name is upload document. Okay, and here you can see we are just sending only one file as an input parameter. But if I talk about multiple file, then how we can use? So you must be thinking like we should create a five extra input parameters. So I would say that's not a good way because we don't know how many file is going to submitted by the user. It might be a one, two, three. Okay, it might be a six. Okay, so how we can do? So we have a for all function is available. Okay, for all. Let me just type again. Okay, so now you can see it is, we use this function like apply a given formula on each row in a data source, then return a new table with result per row. Okay, so this for all function, okay, inside this you can see this is a data source. And right now what is my data source is going to be this attachment control. This attachment control is nothing just like a table. Okay, let me show you. Let me add a gallery. So this is my gallery, and let me reduce the width, increase the height. Okay, so in the item I just need to write a data card. data card name is an attachment. So you can see like this is we have a six item available in the attachment control, and same thing we have a gallery. Okay, so this is nothing just like a table, this attachment control. Okay, so let me remove this now. So inside this for all we will write the same thing like this, data card dot attachment. Now what is going to the next? Next is going to be the formula, like which formula we are going to perform one by one. Okay, so what we are doing inside this, we are just calling this power automate flow. So it will send one by one file this power automate flow. Okay, and now here you can see like we just mentioned in previous video, like first we are just using the first function to just every time it will give us a first record, first file from that attachment control. But now we simply write the this record. Okay, inside the for loop, to go as one by one we use a this record dot. This record is nothing just like a object, and all the attachment control, uh, all the properties we can able to see. So now you can see this is the name, and third parameter we are just sending the file name, and here also we will do the same thing. We will just copy this and then paste it here, and this time this is a value. So this is a value. That's it. Let's close this for as well. It is done. Okay, so let me show you. So this is a blank. Okay, let me refresh this. And now what is going to happen that time? Like it will pick one record, then send it to the power automate. Then it will pick second record, then send it to the power automate. Okay, and at last, what I want after upload all the document, I just want to reset my control. So how we can do, we just need to copy this and paste it inside the reset function. That's it. Now upload. Okay, so we have already uh, select the file. Now we just click on a upload button. I guess there is some error, that's the reason we are getting. Okay, I think my, okay, this is my data control name. I just mentioned a wrong one. Okay, now play. This time if I click, so now you can see it is running. Okay, and that attachment control is reset successfully. If I refresh document library, then you will able to see, yeah, all the six attachments successfully uploaded, and in all the six attachment we have a png, we have a pdf. Okay, it doesn't matter how like which document type we can upload. Okay, we can upload any document type. Okay, so that's how we can upload the multiple attachment file, okay, using the for all. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. See you later.